If you only have $100 a month to invest, you may wonder if it even matters. A lot of people think investing is only for rich people with thousands of dollars. But small amounts invested consistently can become powerful over time. The key is not starting big. The key is starting early and staying consistent. Quick disclaimer, this video is for general financial education only, not personal financial advice. Before investing, make sure your basic financial foundation is not on fire. First, stay current on rent, utilities, food, transportation, and important bills. Second, try to build at least a small starter emergency fund so every surprise does not become new debt. Third, if you have high-interest credit card debt, that debt may need urgent attention. For many people, the best move is to have a debt plan while slowly building the investing habit. Step 1. Check if your job offers a 401k. If your employer offers a match, that can be one of the most powerful places to start. A match means your employer adds money when you contribute, up to certain limits. Not using the match can be like leaving part of your compensation on the table. If you do not have a 401k, you can learn about an IRA, which is an individual retirement account. There are different types, like traditional and Roth, and each has different tax rules. Important, an account is not the investment itself, it is the container. Opening an account is like opening a basket. You still need to choose what goes inside. This is where many beginners freeze because there are too many choices. One beginner-friendly idea to learn about is a broad stock market index fund, or ETF. Instead of buying one company, a broad fund can give you the exposure to many companies at once. This can reduce the risk of depending on one single company. This is called diversification, which simply means not putting all your money in one place. Also, pay attention to fees, because high fees can quietly eat into your long-term growth. Step 2. Make the $100 automatic. If you wait to invest whatever is left, there may be nothing left. So treat investing like a bill you pay to your future self. When you invest the same amount every month, you buy during both good markets and bad markets. This is often called dollar-cost averaging. It does not remove risk, but it can help beginners avoid trying to perfectly time the market. $100 a month becomes $1,200 invested in 1 year. Over 10 years, that's $12,000 contributed before any growth. With time and compound growth, your money has a chance to grow beyond what you put in. Waiting for the perfect time can cost you years of compounding. Step 3. Avoid beginner traps. Be careful with anyone promising guaranteed returns or fast wealth. Before investing, understand the risk, the fees, and your time horizon. For most working people, investing works best when it is long-term and consistent. So the simple plan is, build your foundation, choose the right account, learn about diversified funds, automate $100, and stay consistent. You do not need to be rich to start investing. You need a plan, patience, and the courage to begin small. Comment below. If you had $100 a month to invest, would you choose a 401k, an IRA, or are you still learning the basics? Subscribe for more videos in the 90-Day Money Reset series.
If this helped you see money differently, hit that like button and subscribe, because I break down money in a way that actually makes sense. I'll see you in the next one.